Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's tutorial, we will see how can you change your MSI monitor RGB. So here's a fix for your Mystic Light, OSD RGB modes and sync fix. Step 1. Change RGB from the monitor menu. Press the joystick or menu button on your MSI monitor. Open the gaming or RGB menu. Select the Mystic Light LED or RGB lighting. The name may vary by model. Choose your preferred coloring, lighting effect, or brightness. Press OK or Apply to save the changes. Step 2. Change RGB with MSI Center. Download and install MSI Center from the MSI website if it isn't already installed. Open MSI Center on your PC. Go to Mystic Light. Select your MSI monitor from the list of devices. Choose a new RGB color, lighting effect, or brightness. Click Apply to save the settings. If you can't change the RGB, make sure your MSI monitor supports RGB or Mystic Light. Update MSI Center to the latest version. Restart your monitor and PC, then try again. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and also do hit the subscribe button.